This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view files on your SD card using your Android phone. So just swipe up from the bottom, we got your SD card in, let's go to where it says search and just type in files. So if you have a Samsung phone it's going to be called My Files. If you have just a regular phone, Motorola, Pixel, it's going to be called Files. Doesn't matter which one you press. Scroll on down and go to your SD card right here and you can tap it. And these are the files located on your SD card. You can view them now. So for some reason I have all these different phone kind of files on here like DCIM. This is where my pictures are going to be located. I got a bunch of pictures from my old phone that broke on here. I got downloads, movies, music, recordings. I got nothing in there. So very easy to view the files, and you can move files from your main drive on here. You can select this all if you want. You can copy, go to your SD card, and you can start moving them back and forth really easy. Just make sure you switch between SD card and internal storage on the top here, and then you can copy in that specific location. So very easy to move things back and forth and view the files from one drive to the next. You got all these different categories on top for images, videos, documents. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.